Good morning, Division 17. I'm very excited to start this week with you. It's going to be a fabulous week, and we don't have very much time left until we start our Christmas break. So we'll have it jam-packed with lots of really great activities that will get your brain learning and excited and thinking, and then we'll be doing some fun stuff in between as well. So let's start our morning off with our would you rather question. Now, would you rather live in a desert or live on a deserted island? Okay, so let's think about that for a second. A desert doesn't have very much when it comes to plants or anything, but it is connected to a large piece of land and it's hot all the time. But there usually isn't very much water. There might be the odd lake every once in a while. So would you rather live in the desert where it's hot and there isn't much with plants and trees and that kind of thing, or would you rather live on a deserted island, which is an island in the middle of nowhere where nobody else is on there except for you, or maybe you and a couple of members of your family? So what would you rather do? Stop this video right now, take some time to chat about it, and then come back to our calendar. Okay, let's start our morning with our first month. January, February, March, April, May, June, July, August, September, October, and November, December. We've got all 12 months until we ended up getting to the last month, which is the month we're in. Now the days of the week: Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday's the last day, and now we know them all. Today is Monday. Yesterday was Sunday. Tomorrow will be Tuesday. Okay, guys, so today is Monday. How long will it take for us to get to next Monday? Do you have any idea how long it would take for us to go through an entire week? Should we count? Okay, we're at Monday. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. There are 7 days in our week, so it would take us 7 days to get from this Monday to next Monday. Isn't that crazy? It doesn't feel like it's very long at all. Okay, let's figure out what our number is today. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So today is Monday, December the 7th, 2020. And our season is fall, and the weather outside is cold, and man, is it ever rainy. And maybe it'll clear up later on, who knows, but right now it's rainy. Okay, place value. Do we have any hundreds in our number 7? No, we don't. Do we have any 10s in our number 7? Nope, we've got 0 10s. So how many 1s do we have in our number 7? We have 7 1s. And because we have 7 1s in our number 7, we've got 7 1 blocks here. Let's double check. We've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 1 blocks. There we go. Now if we take a look at our 100 chart, our number 7 is still in that first row right at the top, and we've got our 10 frame. Here's our 10 frame with our number 7. Now, if you take a look at this, it starts to get easier and easier to pick up numbers without having to count them all. And if we know that the 10 frame, half of it is filled and half of it is 5, and then there's 2 more on the bottom, how many do we have altogether? We've got 7. So we don't actually need to count them by ones. We can look at this and say, hey, this is half of a 10 frame, it's 5, and then 2 more is 7, and I can just do that in my mind. Okay, I have a question for you this morning. This is another what am I question. But this is going to use a different kind of language. So when we're doing adding and subtracting, we use the language of difference and sum. Okay, and I'm not going to tell you which one is which. I'm going to see if maybe you can figure it out. So, what is the difference between the number 40 and the number 30? Okay, so what is the difference between the number 40 and the number 30? Okay, I'm gonna bring you over here so that you can take a look at the number 40 and 30. Here we go. So what's the difference between the number 40 and the number 30? Okay, so that's our first question. Our second question is, I am 7 less than the number 54. What number am I? I am 7 less than the number 54. What number am I? And here is our number 54. So what is 7 less than that number? You can pause it and see if you can figure it out. Okay, I can't wait to see you at Zoom today, guys. Have fun with your calendar stuff, and we'll chat then. Bye for now.